Today we're looking at a certified 2017 Honda Accord Sport SE. It's got 21,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. It's crystal black pearl in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. It does have the nice chrome trim around the windows, chrome door handles. Okay, the Accord Sport does come with the 19-inch alloys with the black trim there. It does have the deck lid spoiler. And then just a couple of little scratches right along the trunk lid here. Okay, just want to point that out to you. It's been painted over. It's barely noticeable. I just want to point that out. Nice chrome trim on the back bumper. It is equipped with the rear view camera. Work our way down the passenger side. Everything looks to be in really good shape here. All right, once again, it's a certified 2017, 21,000 miles on it, clean Carfax, one owner. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. The black on black door panels, nice carbon fiber trim right here. Got the power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Okay, it does have black leather, power driver's seat. The nice red stitching here. Driver's seat's in good shape. All right, it does come with the keyless entry key fob. Okay, and then some storage right here in the middle console. Also has a power outlet right here. All right, passenger seat leather is in good shape. Okay, it is an automatic. Does have your heated seats. Okay, on each side there. Got a power outlet down here, and then when you lift this up for some more storage, you've got a USB charger right there. Dual climate controls. Got your AM FM CD player, and then your radio display and the backup camera will be right there, and we'll show you that in a second. Does have the leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. Alright, does have the paddle shifters back here as well. Alright, and then you got your Econ button right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 21,598 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, I'll go ahead and show you the radio display. And then you can change the display. You can take it to current drive, history, or the clock / wallpaper. We'll select that one. All right, let's go ahead and engage the backup camera. All right. Now that we've got it started, we'll go down here and check out your dual climate controls. All right, AC's blowing cold, no problems there. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Panel looks good. Back seat carpet down here, nice and clean, no stains. Rear leather seats in good shape. Everything on the interior of this Accord has been well taken care of. Alright, it does have the center console that comes down. Got your cup holders there. Go ahead and give you a view of the driver's eye view here, the dash and the layout. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the trunk space. Alright, it's got the nice plastic protector mat back here. Got your spare tire down there. Okay, but I'll stand to the side. You can really see the depth. A ton of storage in this Accord. All right, and with these Accord Sport SEs, it does come with 19-inch alloys. All right, nice black trim through here. All right, tires are still in good shape. Plenty of tread left on them. All right. Once again, a certified 2017 Honda Accord Sport SE. 21,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. This thing's well taken care of inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.